Hi there, this is an application preview video in which I'm going to showcase an application that we have built for Ablaze Electronics Private Limited. It is a Noida-based company in India. It manufactures electrical panels and exports to Israel and different countries and provides other multiple electrical installation solutions. The company performs energy audit, which is important for seamless electricity functions in any industrial building or home, and also to reduce high electricity bills. In order to perform audit, lots of data collection was a problem. Management of all the data was a headache while maintaining audit reports with Excel sheets or by taking notes. So the idea was to create an application specifically for the energy audit. The application has two panels, one for the admin or the manager or whoever is managing the energy audits of the company. And other panel is for the engineers where they can perform the audit. The application allows the manager to create a user, to create a site, to create an audit to perform on the sites. Admin has the access to see all the audits done by the engineers. Also, admin can set the status of the audit as visit, survey, or an audit is complete or not. And for the engineers, they can perform multiple tasks on whichever the site is assigned to them. That includes taking pictures of the site or building they are auditing from the phone or directly from the camera and save it to the database. They can also add remarks or observation for building. They can add last 3 months of electricity bills. They can add images of the meters installed and add the year of manufacture of the meter. They can add load details on the energy meter. They can enter the details of any electrical panels installed previously along with an image with a remark also, earth pit values, and all kinds of loads like all the lights, fans, ACs, etc. And they can mention the power factor also. And yes, the company is using it for its energy audits. No problem so far. Everything's working fine. Now, enough talking. Let's move to the application screen.
Okay, this is how the application looks like. Let's just dive into it. Okay, let's log in. Let's first log in as an admin. Let me just enter the password real quick. Yes, so this is a dashboard that the admin gets to see. Here he can manage engineer sites and audits. So let me just first create an engineer. So we can add an engineer. Let the, let the name of the engineer be Dhruv. His email would be dhruv@gmail.com. Let the employee ID be 007 and its password, let's keep it simple, 123456778, and then just submit. See, here we have created a user, or we can say we created an engineer. We can close it. Now let me show you how to create a site on which we have to perform some audits, or our engineers are going to perform audits. Let the company's name be ABC Electronics. Let the company address be Noida Sector 62, India. And we can add the description, like what's the purpose of the audit. For example, let's say check the electrical panels, high energy bill problem, check all the loads, etc. Okay, now we can add the contact person's name. Let it be Shubh. Contact person's phone number, let it be 965432210. Quotation, we are going to charge for the energy audit. We can charge, for example, we are going to charge 200 rupees per audit. We can assign user to it. See, we are getting to see Dhruv. Let's assign this site to Dhruv. Submit this audit. See, submitted successfully. We can close it. So site is created, ABC Electronics. The contact person's name is Shubh. His phone number is 9876543210. Now let's create an audit for the engineer. We can enter the audit name, electrical panel audit for high electricity bill. We can assign the site to it. So we have one site created, that is ABC Electronics, and we can select the date. Let's say we are going to perform it on 5 of March. Let's create the audit. See, we just created an audit. Let me just refresh it. And here we go, the details. Electrical panel audit for high electricity bill. The site name is ABC Electronics, and the site is assigned to an engineer, that is Dhruv. We can view the site. See, everything is empty right now. The engineer is going to fill out all these details. What we can fill is visit site, survey completed, audit completed. Let's just edit it. And yes, visit is required. And once the audit is done, we will take the survey is complete and audit is complete. Submit it. Okay, it is submitted successfully. Now let's log in as an engineer. Engineer that we created was dhruv@gmail.com. Its password was 12345678. And see, here he can see the audit that has been assigned to him. So he can view it. Yes, visit is required and he has to perform the audit on 5th of March. So let's just perform it. Okay, first option is to add building details. Let's add building image. We can add it directly from the camera, but let's just select it from the phone for now. Upload this building image. We can add remark. Building is in good condition. And now we have to upload last 3 months electricity bills. We can select it from phone also, or we can directly capture it from the camera. And yes, we can upload all the electricity bills uploaded. Next, we can add meter information. Let's upload a meter image. Select from phone. Let's say this meter is installed. We can upload it. Its year of manufacture, let's say 2019. Now we can add the load details on the phase 1. Let's say load on the phase 1 is 20 watt, phase 2 is 40 watt, and phase 3 is 60 watt, for example, just for an example. And now the question is, are there any panels installed? If there are no panels installed, then there is no need to add any remark or images, because it will make no sense. For just in case, if there are already panels installed, we can say yes, there are panels. We can add images also. Yes, upload new image. Select from phone because I already have it. This panel is installed already. Upload it. And we can add the remark for the panel. For this panel, we can see wiring is pretty good and everything looks fine. So let's add the remark. Wiring is in good condition and panel was working fine. We can add another panel also. Yes, upload new image, select from phone. This panel, upload. Let's add remark for this panel. We can see this panel is also looking good. So we will add positive remarks for this panel too. Everything seems fine. Now moving ahead, are there any bits installed? Yes, there must be earthing bits installed. So we can add a bit. The bit value should be 0 ohms. And do you want to add electrical loads? Yes, of course, there would be multiple electrical loads. For example, all the fans, all the ACs. So we can add like fan, 100 watts, air conditioner, 1000 watt, microwave, 200 watt. And finally, the power factor. Let the power factor be 0.9. And yes, so we have added pretty much all the details. So we can just submit the audit. Let's just try to submit it. And yes, we have submitted the audit successfully. Now we can view it. Yes, building images with remark, year of manufacture, meter images, electricity bills, panel images with remarks, bit number, bit value, all the electrical loads and power factor. We can view the building images like this. Also, we can view the electricity bills, first one, second one, and the third one. And the meter images. Yes, this was the meter. Year of manufacture was 2019. And installed panel images. Yes, we can see it, zoom it, everything. So yeah, that's all from the engineer side. Let's again log in to admin side also. Type in the password 78. Yes. Now here we can check the manage audits. We can view it. And here we got all the details. We can check building image. We can check electricity bills. We can check meter image, meter information, year of manufacture, phase loads, electrical panels with remarks and all other details. And we can also edit it. And in this position, we can say survey is complete and energy audit is also complete. And we can submit it. And it's submitted successfully. If we view it, see, these three fields are updated. So yeah, that's it. This was the energy audit application that we built for the company, and they are using it for their energy audits. Thank you for your time.